Hi Dolly friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my dream reborn baby. So this one's very, very special to me, so I cannot wait to see her. So we'll go ahead, we'll open the box. Oh, look how nice. It's all wrapped in tissue paper in here. Very, very nice. Look how she did this. There's like all these little goodies like wrapped up in here.
Are those little slippers you put on your shoes?
Slippers.
So you don't get people's house dirty?
No, it's wrapped in tissue paper. It's a gift inside.
Those look like those slippers. The medical.
It's a little gift. Oh, look at that. And then there's another little gift right there. A little headband. Another little gift with a little rattle on it. Look at, she did amazing. You can find her on eBay. Her name is Pegleggers, but I will put all of her information below. You can also look her up in the browser. Just type in Reborns by Peg Spencer, and it'll bring up all her reborns that she has available on eBay. So this one, we'll take her out.
There's something in there.
Yeah. And she comes with a certificate of authenticity. So this one is the Piper Reborn kit by Sherry Rawn. She's a limited edition. She's 95 of 800 that were made. So that's a little glimpse of her. So,
isn't it a glimpse of you, supposedly?
Yeah.
If you gotta tell the story, tell the whole story.
This baby actually looks a lot like me when I was a baby. And we'll put a photo so you can see a side-by-side comparison after I get her open. Oh, look, she comes with a little baby bunny. It's so soft. Look at that. It's so adorable. I love it.
Is that what she does all the time, or
huh?
Does she normally do little things like that?
I think so, yeah. I just love it. That's so cute. And then we got a little headband here, so you can put a little headband on her. And I'll take a look at this one. What's in here?
It's a pretty dress.
Oh my goodness! Look at that! Isn't that so cute? I love it. Oh, I'm getting goosebumps already. This is just so nice. And then we have another cute little headband for her to wear. And then we have this adorable little rattle. It's actually wrapped, so see? Isn't that cute? I love it. Is it a flower diaper? Oh yeah, look at two of them. Oh, so cute. I haven't seen them with the flowers on there before, but those are adorable.
Making air freshener.
And then another little outfit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that.
She's styling.
Isn't that so sweet? I love the sparkles and the glitter. That's just adorable. Alright. So we'll go ahead, we'll unwrap her. I love the way she has her wrapped in the blanket here. That's just incredible. And the blanket that she's wrapped in is so soft.
It's like Harper's. Didn't she have a pink one or a blue one?
It's like her baby blanket, yeah. Oh, look at it! Oh my goodness! So we'll take a look at her little feet.
It's a good thing it's not a potato sack.
And she has a little onesie underneath. We'll take that off in a minute so you can get a closer look at her. She's painted so nicely and she's so realistic. I love it. And her little hands. Oh, I love how her fingernails are gloss. And here's her other arm. So real. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see her face. Oh, and look at, she has a little pacifier. It's attached to her outfit. It's like a clip-on. And it has a magnet on it. Isn't that cute? Alright, so we will go ahead and we'll reveal her face. I haven't seen her yet, so I am so excited. Oh my goodness, look at her. She is beautiful. Oh, and she's got a little barrette in her hair. I'll fix that in a minute. Oh my goodness, look at her. Isn't she cute? I love her face, and her eyelashes are rooted. She just looks so beautiful, and her hair is rooted. Her hair is so soft. If you want to get a look from the back.
Oh my god.
Isn't it so soft?
It feels like a real head too.
It does. It feels just like a real baby's head. Oh.
Don't have a soft spot, does it?
No, I don't think so. Oh, so look at this little precious angel. And she's so sweet. And then her outfit is brand new. It's got a tag on it. And she actually smells like baby powder. I don't know if you want to smell her. She smells so good.
Yeah, I'll smell it.
I love her. But yeah, if you saw a picture of me when I was a baby, we'll put it side by side so you can see. But she does. She looks a lot like me. I had like the strawberry blonde hair and everything. So we'll go ahead and we'll take off this outfit and we'll get a closer look at her limbs because she is wearing a onesie underneath. And then she has the little pacifier you can stick on her mouth. There. But I don't know if I'll put that on her because it just hides her face too much. Her face is so cute. Yeah, so this is kind of like one of those little potato sack things. Like a little
Yeah,
lady.
your favorite.
Yeah, I always put Caleb in.
I was not a fan of the potato sack things.
I would always put our son in them. He'd be like, what did you put him in? Oh, look at her. She's so cute. I love her so much.
Let's play catch.
And even look at, she's even got like the gloss under the nose and the gloss in the mouth. She's
got like a double
so
chin.
amazing. Oh, I love her so much. Here, smell her.
Heavy.
Yeah. Oh, so she is so cute. She's probably about 5 pounds, I would say, her weight. She's actually like the weight of a real newborn. And her length is 19 inches. So she's about the length of a real newborn as well.
So see, she's your spitting image, so now you can raise yourself
Yeah.
and correct all the mistakes.
Oh, stop. Look at, I put her little bow in her hair. Doesn't she look so cute?
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
she's scared. Like,
I know, I love her.
confused, nervous, scared in a way.
I know, I love her expression. I think that's just so darling. Oh my goodness. So, again, she is the Piper Kit by Sherry Rawn. She was done by the Reborn artist Peg Spencer, and like I said, you can look up Peg Spencer on eBay. And you can also just type her into the browser, Peg Spencer Reborns, and it'll bring up all the dolls she has available. But oh my god, she did an amazing job on her. I love her so much. I think she's my favorite. Oh, and then she's so cute. I can't wait to try some of the other clothes on her. She's just so adorable. Alright, well I hope you guys like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye, baby Carrie. Bye, big Carrie.